All right, so now we're going to take a look at how to write linear equations in context. Okay, so remember that y is equal to mx plus b. That's your linear equation, where m is how it changes each time. The slope is your rate of change, and it's either going to be positive or negative, and your y-intercept, which is b, is your start or your initiation fee. Now we're going to add in a couple more definitions to kind of help you understand this. Where you see slope, I just want you to arrow it out, and you're going to say the thing that keeps happening. So slope is a thing that keeps happening over and over and over again every year, every hour, every minute, every second, everything. It just keeps going on and on. All right, whereas your y-intercept, so draw an arrow from y-intercept, happens one time. Okay, so your y-intercept only happens one time. It's where you start, it's your initiation, whereas your slope is your rise over run, your rate of change is the thing that keeps happening. That's going to really clear it up for you. All right, so let's go and take a look at example 6. I'm just going to teach you how to quickly find what it is. So I'm going to find the numbers. So to join a dancing club, there's a $30 startup fee. All right, what do you think a startup fee is? Do you get charged a startup fee one time, or do you get charged a startup fee, the thing that keeps happening over and over? So $30 every single time. Okay, if you're not sure, go to the next thing. It says a $4 monthly fee. All right, so this one is happening every month. So month 1, $4. Month 2, $4. Month 3, $4. Month 4, $4. Month 5, $4. Month $4. So what's that? The thing that keeps happening. Your startup fee happens one time. So this is your slope, your m, and this is your y-intercept. So when you write it out, you're going to write y equals, because it is an equation. An equation must have an equal sign. Y equals m, the thing that keeps happening, which is in this case is $4. Now, if it's happening, if I have to pay $30 and then I have to pay $4 each time, am I going to add or subtract 4 each month? I'm going to add 4, so this is going to be positive. So make sure that you check if your slope is going to be positive or negative. Okay, so it's 4, and then what's next? X, and then plus b, what I start with. Is my startup fee negative or positive? It is positive 30. So this is saying I'm going to start at $30. Month 1, I'm going to add 4. Month 2, I'm going to add 8. Month 3, I'm going to add 12, and so forth. Okay, let's take a look at another example. All right, an airplane is 30 feet above the ground. All right, so again, what do you think that is? The thing that keeps happening? Is it 30 feet above the ground every day, every year? Or is it the thing that happens one time? Not sure? Read again. It begins descending. Descending means do what? Go down. So this, whatever this is, means negative at a rate of 2,000 feet per minute. And let's add a new definition to slope. This is going to be a key word right here when you see the word per. So I'm going to arrow out here. Per/every is going to be slope. What that means is this is going down 2,000 feet, then again 2,000 feet, then again 2,000 feet. Every minute, 2,000 feet. Every minute, 2,000 feet. Every minute, 2,000 feet. But it's only at 30,000 feet once. So this is my start, and this is my descend, which is negative slope. All right, so let's write it out. So y equals, we just said it's a negative slope, and what is it? 2,000. Do not forget the x. And then I started above the ground, so this is plus 30,000. So I start at 30,000 high, and I go down 2,000 feet every minute. All right, last one. The U.S. Bureau predicted the population of Georgia will be about 17.4 million. All right, so that's the population in 2018. Then would increase. So what does the word increase mean? Go up, right? And here is that word per again. So which number is this? If you see the word per, you're doing slope. But again, you're saying that it's going to increase 0.22 million per year. So year 1, 0.22 million. Year 2, 0.22 million. Year 3, 0.22 million. Year 4, 0.22 million. Year 5, 0.22 million. 0.22 million. 0.22 million. Over and over again. It's a number that keeps happening. And because it's increased, it's positive. So this is my positive slope, and this must be my start because I start in 2018 with a population of 17.4. So let's write that out. Y is equal to positive, because it's increasing, 0.22x, And I started off with 17.4 million. And that's it. Let's practice.